Under what condition in an arrangement of two plane mirrors, incident ray and reflected ray will always be parallel to each other? The answer is when two plane mirrors are aligned perpendicular to each other. Here's the diagram to show the arrangement. Now let's understand how in this arrangement the incident ray and the reflected ray always come parallel to each other. The concept says equally inclined lines are always parallel. Here we see that AB is an incident ray to a mirror. It makes angle of incidence of 30 degree, and BC is the reflected ray of the same mirror. Following laws of reflection, it is reflected, making angle of reflection of 30 degree with the normal. The ray BC becomes incident ray to the other mirror. Now we see that BOCF is a rectangle. Now BOCF is a rectangle. So we get BFC as a right angle triangle in which angle B is 30 degree, angle F is 90 degree. Therefore, angle C will be 60 degree. Now, ray BC is being incident to the other mirror, making angle of incidence of 60 degree and same angle of reflection of 60 degree. Following angle I should always be equal to angle R. Now, if we see the angle of inclination of the ray CD with the second mirror, it shows 30 degree. Here we see that the ray AB and the ray DC both are equally inclined to the x-axis. When we say x-axis, we mean here the second mirror and the normal of the first mirror. Thus we get the lines AB and DC to be equally inclined to the x-axis. So the two rays, being the incident and the reflected rays, will always be parallel when the two plane mirrors will be arranged under this condition.